Hi everyone, my name is Sophie Gorshenin and I interviewed Dr. Julie Cho Kim, who is currently the Director of Graduate Student Life at George Mason University. So Dr. Julie Cho Kim has, worked with graduate students in her current role to see what contributes to graduate student success, which is something that I'm very interested in. She has also worked on research projects with topics such as identity development with first-generation Asian American students, and as well as learning living communities. And what I learned the most from our conversation was we really talked about, how to balance being a practitioner and a researcher. And I learned so much from talking with her about this. And I wanted to share with you all the first thing that I really learned from our conversation is that assessment is not research, and that it's important not to blend these two worlds, which I kind of found myself doing in my current role, working in student affairs. I was like, oh, this would be a great topic to research, or this, for example, can contribute to my research, but it's important not to blend these, the two worlds of research and assessment. And it's important to use the correct lens when working and looking at the data. The second thing I wanted to share is that, I was really encouraged to not shy away from being a practitioner that knows how to research. Dr. Julie Jo Kim really showed me that there's power to be held whenever you're in that specific position, not only because it's a great way, and platform to disseminate research, but it also allows departments at the university, for example, to integrate best practices that best helps serve our students. And I thought that was something really powerful that, has really kept me reflecting. So those are the two most important things that I learned from this interview, and I'm excited to hear all about what you all have